Hi, it's Michael McKillican, Sutton, West Coast, Nanaimo. We have island hot tubs for sale. The price does not include inventory because it's a floating inventory. We'd prefer to do it with the business for sale, with a lease obviously, and then plus inventory. Anyway, great business, been open for many years. Nice little anchor in town, great location. They do retail, they do pool installations, hot tub installations, sales, they do the works. Very, very good little turnkey business for anybody that's looking for a business coming in from elsewhere. Fantastic opportunity. Give me a call at 250-756-2112. It's Michael McKillican, Sutton, West Coast, Nanaimo.